Hello friends, today is day 4 of our 30-day declutter challenge and we're going to be decluttering plasticware. Okay, so in this drawer is where I have all of my plasticware. This is the drawer that my grandkids get into when they come over. It's got their plates and their bowls and their cups and spoons and everything else. Now at your house, you may have completely different types of plasticware. I have 18 grandkids, about to have 19, so I have a lot of these plates and bowls to accommodate them. But you might have maybe the plastic cups that come from fast food restaurants, or plasticware that you eat on, or the cups that look like glass, but they're actually plastic. Maybe today would be a good time for you to get in there and start decluttering all of that. Okay, so I've set my timer for 15 minutes. It's going to take me much less than 15 minutes to do these drawers, or actually it's one drawer, but it's only going to take me just a few minutes to get it done. I also have the opportunity to go ahead and wipe it out. So what I'm going to do is I stacked all these plates by color, and I've decided just to keep one of each color. Now I do have a lot of boy, girl, evenly spaced grandkids. And when they come over, they want a boy color or they want a girl color. So I'm going to be sure that I have enough so that they can have that. And of course, it's very rare that I have 18 grandkids over here at one time. So I really don't need all these plates and bowls. The majority of them have not even been used before. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. If I need more, I can just use paper plates for the kids. So anyways, that's what I'm doing here is I'm going to go ahead and divide them up by color, and then I'll do the same thing with the bowls. I really like this set right here. I used this with my little Chase when he was staying with me when Mom used to work. And these were the plates that I used to use. However, none of the kids use it anymore, and Chase is now 5, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. And then I have all these little sippy cups. There's a few that I really like these right here. These are perfect for my little guys. They can carry them around the house and I don't have to worry about it spilling. And then these ones right here, some of them prefer to have the little suction thing, so I'm going to go ahead and keep these two. And you'll notice that I have a lot of purple and a lot of green, because when I used to take care of Chase, his color was green, and then his cousin, my little Lyndon, we had her stuff is purple. So I have purple and green things in here. That's the reason why. I don't need the baby bottles over here, so I'm going to go ahead and give those back to the parents that they belong to. And I love these little squeezy things right here. I can put fresh banana in there, or some apple if I puree it. Anything pureed I can stick in there, and then the little ones squeeze it or suck it out of there. It's kind of like those little squeezy packs, except for you can put fresh food in there. So I'm going to keep these. Then I'm going to also go through all that silverware. I don't need that much, and so I'm going to go ahead and divide that up too. Now these are my Tupperware cups that I bought recently. Back in the day, these are the cups that we used to use with our little ones, and I really like them. I did notice that a blue one is missing, so I need to ask the moms if anybody took a blue one home. But anyways, I really do like those cups. They cost a lot of money, but I really don't think that my grandkids like them that much, to be honest with you. They're not used to those type of cups. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and keep them. Maybe some of my newer grandbabies will like to use those since they're not used to the other cups yet. This bottle here I didn't recognize at all, so I went ahead and took a picture of it and sent it to all the moms to find out whose bottle this belonged to. I'm looking at that yellow little SpongeBob spoon, and I used to use that with my very first grandson. He's now 15. So I can't believe I've had it that long, and yes, I'm going to be getting rid of it because we're not using it. I really don't like to hold on to things just to hold on to them. But I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of the plasticware that goes with those plates and the bowls. Now I'm taking a good hard look at this spoon because it doesn't belong in here. It actually belongs in my nice silverware that I use for Christmas and get-togethers and things like that. So I've been looking for it and somebody must have put it down in here. I almost didn't even recognize it. It's kind of a weird shape. It almost looks like a baby spoon, but I'll go ahead and relocate it to the silverware drawer. This little brush I use to clean the straw of a couple of little cups that I used to have, but I can't find them, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the straw. So tell me, how's the 30-day declutter doing for you? Are you guys able to set your timer for 15 minutes and get in there and pull out the things that you're not using or needs to be relocated somewhere else? I'm getting a lot of messages from you guys, and I'm so excited that you guys are doing this along with me. It's only 15 minutes a day, super easy. We're just going to get in and get out. I'm not asking you to organize or anything like that. We got to get in here and we got to get our stuff out first before we go back and organize it. So I hope you guys are having a good time doing this. I appreciate having you guys along for the ride while I do it in my own home. So I'm not just telling you how to do this, I'm actually doing it with you because I have so many hidden areas in my home that has clutter, and I'm ready to get it out, start the new year with, not totally clutter-free because it's not always going to be, clutter-free, but just get the majority of it out so that way when I go back and I do my zone cleaning, it's easier to clean when you don't have these little hidden areas that have clutter. So I'm so glad that you guys are doing this with me. I'm checking to see if the drawer will close if I have those plates standing up like that, and it does. So I'm going to go ahead and stand these up. And what I'm noticing is I have a lot of room now. So I'm going to show you here in just a little bit that I have a drawer that I put all of the kids' snacks into. So when the grandkids come over, they have a specific drawer that they can go into, and they have all these kinds of snacks. And yes, the parents allow me to put whatever I want to in there. They may, kind of give me a little frown like, seriously, Mom? But I'm a Grammy and I want to give them not only healthy snacks, but I want to give them little treats too. So I've got all the snacks in there. I do need to totally refill it, and you'll see it. It's almost completely empty now, so I need to go in and refill it. But I'm noticing that I have a lot of room here, so I might be able to empty one whole drawer now and have the plates and the cups and the spoons and things in here along with their snacks. So stay tuned for that because I might be doing that in the near future. So here's that snack drawer I was talking about. Like I said, it's almost completely empty, but I can just move some of these bins down below, and then the kids will have snacks down there. Okay, so let's take a quick look of the drawer before we cleaned it out. That way we can really enjoy the after. So I hope that you found today's video helpful and that it's encouraged you to declutter your plasticware. Don't forget to tag me over on Instagram in a photo of what you decluttered today. I've been posting mine, and it's so fun to look back on all the photos. I can really see a change already. Anyways, I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.